I'm concerned with the underside of the Jeep scraping on rocks and getting torn up. So I'm going to be installing some new skid plates. This is going to be the rear differential skid plate. I got a skid plate from Rancho, and it's pretty simple. You just have the skid plate itself, and then this strap holds it in place. First, we're going to remove 4 bolts around the edge here. Here's the skid plate. Let's get it in place here. Get one more to hold it up here. If you're working upside down like this, you should probably put on safety glasses just so you don't drop dirt in your eyeballs like I already did. Let's take a look now. Why don't we go over to the front side and install the front. One major difference is the hole for the drain plug. So if you have a JL that's equipped with the drain plug on the bottom of the differential, then make sure you have the right part with the hole in it. And then on this piece, there's just a simple little piece of thread in a U shape to hold it on. First, we're going to remove 2 bolts on each side. Skid plate in place. Alright, now it's time to put this U-shaped bracket around here. I'm holding this bracket on the top to make sure it doesn't slip down here and tighten on the drive shaft. I wish there was something to keep it from going over this lip, but honestly, as tight as it is, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And there you have it. Front and rear Rancho differential skids. Installation difficulty scale from 1 to 10, a 3. I've installed some much more difficult stuff, and that's just take out a couple bolts, put them right on, all the hardware fit, everything was exactly the right size, and it's all done. So I'm pleased with how it turns out. I like this particular design because it's a little bit more open so that the mud won't get caught in there and can run out. We'll see how they perform, and I'm looking forward to tearing these things up and getting some big scratches on them. So let you know how it goes.